Hey everyone, welcome back on Erratic Coder. Today in this video we are going to discuss string literals in Golang. So this is an official page of Golang strings standard library and before delving into the code, first we will discuss what is string literals. So string is nothing but it is just a way to represent the text in Go. A text could be a simple message, it could be a file path, HTML content, or any kind of URL it could be. So, string literal allows us to work with the textual data in Golang. Now, before discussing this official page or the standard library, first we will discuss how to declare the strings in Go. So, this is a simple program I have taken. Let's take a string literal MSG and assign a text to this variable. I'm taking this text only and this text I will assign to string literal. So in other language you will find that you can provide the string in single quote as well, but in Golang it is mandatory to provide the strings in double quotes only. Now this variable I'll print here. Let's run the code and here we have this message. Now in this string literal we can give the escape sequences as well. Escape sequences like line break, tab, or some other escape sequences according to the requirement you can provide within the string. Let's run it again and here we can see the output hello, and as we have given the \n escape sequence here, so it will jump to the new line, it will give the line break here. Another escape sequence tab we can use here. Let's run the code again. So here we can see that after hello it has given tab. Apart from escape sequences, Golang support for Unicode characters as well. If anybody is not aware with the Unicode, so Unicode is a universal character encode standard that is containing around 1 lakh characters to represent the character in different languages. Where ASCII takes 1 byte to represent a characters, Unicode takes 4 byte to represent the same character. Now how can we use Unicode in our program? In the similar way as we have given escape sequences, instead of hello, I am giving the Unicode characters for hello. So this is the Unicode format we have and it will give the same output, hello erratic coder. Now you must be thinking that in output we are getting hello and in input we have given the Unicode characters. So why it's happening? Because in Golang every string is encoded in UTF-8. So that's why in output this encoding is performed and we are getting hello as an output. So this is the basic concept to use strings in Golang. Now we were talking about strings standard library. So this strings library provides all the functionality to work with strings in Golang. So with using these functions, we can trim the strings, we can replace any characters within that string, we can change the cases, and we can make a comparison between two strings and some other functionalities we can perform. So what all the things we can do with strings, this you can check on this official page. Let's take an example. Let's take a replace function. So here we have a message and we will make the changes in this string only. So we can say before replace we have this message and after replace we will be something else. Now here we are going to perform the replace function. Standard library name is strings and it has the replace function that will be taking 4 arguments. In first argument it will take the string that we want to change. So the string is MSG. In second argument it will take the text that we want to change. So here I am giving hello. As a third argument I will give the text by which I want to replace. So instead of hello I want hey, and in the fourth argument I need to give the number of counts that I want to replace. In my string, occurrence of hello is 1, so I'll give it 1 here. Let's run the code. Okay, here we can see earlier it was hello erratic coder and after replace it's hey erratic coder. In the fourth argument, as we have to give the number of the occurrences that we want to replace. But suppose I want to replace all the occurrences. So for that, I won't count all the occurrences and then I will mention the count here. But I will give any value less than 0. So I'll give -1 here. That means we have to replace all the occurrences of hello here. I will give one more same text and run the code. So here we can see it has replaces all the occurrences. Suppose I give here -2 or -10, any negative value I'm giving. So here also we can see that if we are giving any negative value, that means we have to replace all the occurrences. Now suppose I have given value 6, however I have only 2 occurrences of this word. In that case also it will replace all the occurrences. So in this way you can use replace and other functionalities from strings standard library. Now similar to the strings, we have the standard library for Unicode as well, where you will get the functionalities to work with Unicode characters. So these are all the functions you can check here. Now how Golang handles the Unicode functionalities. So Golang uses rune for that. What is rune? This we will check in the next video. So till this video, I hope you are clear with the strings concept in Golang. How can we declare it? What all the functionalities we can use within a string? If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, let us know in comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Golang tutorials. Until next time, happy coding. Thank you.